Load tests stalled for hours because CAPTCHAs blocked every bot. Developers paused pipelines. Manual solving became routine and exhausting. QA cycles stretched. Regression windows missed due to human roadblocks. Performance metrics unreliable. Bots couldn't simulate realistic high-volume traffic. Accessibility testing failed when challenged flows required constant attention. I discovered CAPTCHA interception during a frantic midnight debugging session. A colleague shared a demo. Automation removed manual CAPTCHA hurdles instantly. Installation was fast. The demo blew away our skepticism immediately. The standout feature: reliable automated CAPTCHA handling with developer APIs. It integrates into pipelines, letting tests run uninterrupted, fully automated. Load testing resumed. We generated realistic traffic without manual stops. QA cycles shortened dramatically. Regression windows finally met consistently. Accessibility and user testing covered edge cases previously impossible to automate. How much time and money will you waste solving CAPTCHAs manually? Ready to reclaim your pipelines? Try CAPTCHA interception. Act now.